hurts. Maybe this will help. It didn't. What is it about this green slime? I gotta get to the bottom of this. I hope that this informant has some good leads for me. I've been chasing tails for too long. Could use a good new lead. Hey, I think I see him over there. You better have something good for me. So you must be the informant, huh?
Oh yes, I am the informant.
And would you happen to know anything about this note that was left on my doorstep?
I believe I would happen to know.
So what can you tell me about that?
Well, this green slime that you're ever so hard researching is being produced at a chemical factory by the wonderful, magnificent Dr. Diabolical, the greatest doctor to ever live.
So where can I find this chemical factory of yours?
Oh, I'll take you there. I'll take you to Dr. Diabolical's chemical factory. That's the greatest slime ever made. Slime. Oh, Dr. Diabolical. Slime. Dr. Diabolical slime.
I got a bad feeling about this one. So how did you find out about this chemical factory?
Oh, slime. Oh, I just know it's slime. Dr. Diabolical. Slime.
Okay.
Oh, Dr. Diabolical is just around this corner. I must go now. I have business to take care of.
Something sure didn't feel right about that informant. Who the hell are you?
I am Dr. Diabolical, creator of slime, and I was never an informant. That was all a trick played upon by the ingenious Dr. Diabolical myself. I will create the greatest slime ever known in the world, and I will take over the world and the city, and everyone will die to my wonderful green slime. And I was never the informant because I'm Dr. Diabolical, and I'm the greatest scientist and the of all time. Oh, slime, slime, Dr. Diabolical slime. Slime.
Well, this sure is a slimy situation.
Slime.
You're under arrest, Dr. Diabolical.
Oh, you can never arrest me. I have created the greatest slime I've known to mankind. Slime. And now, the final act.
What are you talking about?
Slime. I've defeated your weapon. slime with my beautiful slime. And take this, detective. My slime has defeated the detective. Slime. Now that this detective is gone, my slime and I will take over the world. Come here, my precious. Now me and my green slime will take over the world.